welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be doing a unboxing again. It is by this brand called Mefa or Mefa. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but they sent me this box of gel polishes, so let's open this up. So there are 20 colored gel polishes in total, and also the 3 additional polishes. It's just the matte top and base coat. So 23 polishes altogether. It also comes with its little manual. You can pause this if you like. And here's how the containers look. Very cute, tiny little bottles with gold writing. Okay, so next let's get started on all of the swatches. First I have number 20. This is a black polish. Next I have 269. Next I have 275. Next I have 279. Next I have 280. I feel like with some of these colors they might be temperature changing, just because on the cap it has like purple to pink, for example. So I'm gonna see if it's actually glow in the dark. So I'm sorry, not glow in the dark, color changing. So as of right now, I'm painting this on the nail and it looks like a lighter purple. I'll come back and see if it changes to a pink. Okay, it actually did get a bit lighter after I cured it for 60 seconds. So I think it does react to heat, but here's how it looks. And this is just one coat, by the way, so it's really pigmented, not bad. Next I have 276. Next I have 272. Next I have 229. Next I have 26. Next I have 282. Now I have 277. Next I have 273. Next I have 264. Next I have 261. Here's 213. Next I have 268. Next I have 274. Next I have 278. Lastly, I have 284. Here are all of the polishes, all of the colors, and I'm really excited to try the temperature changing ones, the color changing polishes, because the concept has always been so cool to me. You can have 2 colors in one, just depending on if you have cold temperature or hot temperature. I know some people do it with water where they can change it, so I'm excited to try these out and see how they come out. So let's get started on the next thing. My nails don't need much prep, so I'm just gonna apply top coat. Now I'll glue on my tips. Next, I'm going to clip these down. Next, I'm going to file these down and also have the tips match the sidewall. You don't want anything sticking out. Next, I'll use a sanding band to blend the tip to the nail. Then, I'm going to use 91% isopropyl alcohol as my slip solution and then get started on the polygel application. For the polygel, I'm using French Press by Makartt. Okay, after I'm done with application, I'm just going to file these down. Next, I'm going to buff these out. Next, I'll get started on the actual nail art. I'm going to use the color changing polishes, and I'm also using these like bubble charms, I guess that's what they're called. They kind of look like bubbles, colorful bubbles, so I'll add these on top as well. So for this design, I'm doing V-tip, like a V French tip, but tri-color. It's gonna be 3 colors. It'll make much more sense once I do it. So let's get started on that. It's already starting to change color, especially up here. So I'm pretty much going to be doing the same thing to the rest of the nails. here's how they look after I'm done with the nail art. I really like how these look. It kind of has like this gradient to it, which is really cool. So next, I'll be putting these charms on top. Also, I'm just using the pink and purple charms. It really goes with the nail art, kind of blends together. Next, I'll put on some top coat. Here's how these turned out. I really love how they look. Looks very elegant, looks very simple, but also cute. The colors really complement each other well, and I really love the gradient part of the polish. It looks really cool. So, a review on the gel polishes. I really like how pigmented they are, and it's so much to like pick from. I really think I should do another video just to showcase more of what's in this kit, because these are some really good gel polishes. I really like the color changing, which I'll definitely try and see if it will change if I put it under cold or hot water. I'll probably show that near the end of the video, but I really like the glitter polishes. Those are really cute and just the solid colors. I didn't even have to do 2 coats of that. I could just do 1 and they were just really pigmented. And I feel like I never really point this out, but the top coat, like, this is a really good top coat. It didn't yellow or anything like that, and it didn't have any like weird spotting that some top coats give me. I don't know if it's just me, but overall I would rate this kit a 9 out of 10. I would say so, a 9 out of 10. I definitely need to try the other polishes in the set as well. So tell me, what do you guys think of this set? What do you guys think of the gel polishes? Would you try out this kit? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to try this out and see if it changes colors under the water. So first I'm going to do cold water.